Hello and welcome to Bloodshed Restorations. I'm Alex and this is my next project. You might have seen this in one of my other videos about a tool haul, and this was in it. The teeth in the chuck aren't in a particularly brilliant way, so we'll get them removed. As you can see, the springs are completely broken. I think there's only two in there as well, so I'm just going to replace the chuck with another one off a different drill. But it looks like the end has taken a bit of a beating over the years, so it's a little bit misshapen and I can't get the handle off as yet, so I'll just take a little bit off with a bit of a file. The next stage is going to be file down the retaining pin of the handle, because that's really quite stiff. It's not very good movement at all, so we can get that all treated up. And then also to get the main gear filed off. Again, it looks like somebody's been at that with the hammer. It's time to wire wheel some magic into these pieces now. I'm going to keep the paint as near as original as I can do with this one. I haven't been able to find a near match for the original varnish, which I'm presuming is some kind of red mahogany, so I'm just going to go for a rich mahogany colour. Really happy with the way everything's turned out, and underneath all the rust as well I actually found a manufacturer's mark, which is Viking, made in USA. So I'll crack on with the rebuild. Final touch, a new chuck. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you haven't done so already, or even leave a comment. Catch you on the next one.